Want to build a website in minutes with no coding, no design skills, and all powered by AI? In this video, I will show you how to use WebSim.ai, a powerful AI tool that lets you create stunning website in just a few clicks. Let's build a full site from scratch. First, WebSim AI is an AI website generator that lets you describe what kind of website you want, and it builds it instantly, complete with sections, images, text, and navigation. Perfect for portfolios, business landing pages, blogs, startups, even quick project demos. Visit websim.ai, click try for free, or click login. Sign in with Google. Select your Google account, then click continue. You will see a prompted that says describe the website you want to build, or what would you like to create today. Examples to types: a modern website for a coffee shop with a menu and contact form, a portfolio site for graphics, a portfolio for a graphic designer with projects and testimonials, a tech startup homepage with features, pricing, and FAQ. Click new project. Enter your prompt here. Once you enter your prompt, click the wait a minute, a portfolio site for a graphic designer project and testimonial. Then click send. WebSim.ai will create a live scrollable preview in seconds. You can choose from AI model from here, like DeepSeek. WebSim builds a fully functional one page like site. WebSim builds a fully functional one page site, include headers, hero sections, services, about, contact, and more. You can edit all sections by hovering over them and clicking edit. WebSim uses AI generated content and design, but you can tweak everything from the images to the colors and copy. Click on any text to edit instantly. Change headlines, paragraphs, buttons, text rearrange, or delete section using the toolbar. Add a new section like testimonial features, gallery, etc. Use AI rewrite to instantly rewrite text with different tones like formal, friendly, playfully, playful. Change the site's color palette, choose different fonts, upload own logo or favicon, replace default images with your own, and use free image libraries. That part is where you bring in your brand personality. Stick to 2 to 3 colors, clean fonts, and relevant visuals. Add a contact form with name, email, and message field. Link buttons to emails, other pages, or external URLs. Add social icons that link to your accounts. Make sure your call to action buttons stand out. Use strong verbs like get started or book now. Click preview to see how your site looks on desktop and mobile. Click export code if you want to download HTML or CSS. You can also share a live preview link with clients or friends. For custom domains, export and upload it to a host like Parcel, Netlify, or GitHub pages. And that's how you build a complete website with using WebSim.ai in just minutes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of site you will build first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.